can do it by yourself. Shoes go where they always stay, by the door, not in the way. Crayons in their little case, let's keep things in their special place. Brush your hair, then clean the comb. Put it back when you're at home. Clean up time is fun and bright. Let's keep our things tidy and right.